vegan recipes with Pat and Emily. It's vegan recipes.
Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight on It's Vegan, I'm going to show you how to make one of our favorite teas. It's called fruited mint tea. And when we put out our hibiscus lemonade recipe, I had a friend say, hey, when are you going to show how to make that fruited mint tea? So tonight's the night. I am going to be showing you a double recipe because if I only made a single recipe, it would be gone instantly. So we're going to start with 6 cups of boiling hot water, and into that I am putting 8 tea bags. I'm trying to get them wet, as you can see, and I'm also putting fresh mint leaves. I'm going to hold on to my tea bags so they just don't go in all the way. And because this is a double recipe and it's early in the spring, I didn't have as many mint leaves as normal. But I wanted to show you, in the fall, we pick the mint leaves and we freeze them. I know you could dry them, but for us, we just make a pack of the number of mint leaves we need for a recipe. This will have to steep for 5 minutes, and when it steeps, you want to cut off all of the air circulation from it and keep the steam inside of the kettle. It's been 5 minutes, and at this point, I am using a plastic pitcher because this is so hot, I don't want to break the glass that I'm going to end up putting it into. And I have a strainer on top because I want to get the mint leaves strained off of the liquid. Okay, this tea is very hot. I'm going to be putting in 1 cup of sugar. You could use whatever type of sweetener you would like to use, and possibly you would like it not sweetened at all. I will say that this recipe was submitted by Marilyn Gaut to the Westmoreland Museum of Art for this book that's called Art in the Kitchen. The only thing we changed was we have not used fresh lemon juice, and I cut the sugar in half. So stir that up. Make sure that your sugar is dissolved. Or if you are using honey, maple syrup, agave, make sure that that's dissolved. You could probably even use stevia. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of orange juice, a half a cup of lemon juice. Of course, I'll have the recipe below for you. Stir that again, and I'm adding about 10 cups of water. So when you make this double recipe, as I'm showing you, it makes a gallon. Now, this isn't extremely hot, but I just wanted to show you that this tea is a really, really soothing tea when it's hot. If I was drinking it hot, I'd heat it more so because I just added cold water. Very soothing, very soothing. If you had a sore throat, you might really like that, or if you didn't feel good, you might like that as well. You could store it in your refrigerator like this, but I'm going to show you how pretty it looks in a nice glass pitcher. And there you have it. It's a beautiful tea. I'm going to pour it over 2 glasses that have ice in. You could always garnish it with a mint leaf. If you didn't know how the mint leaves grow, this is the type of plant, and you could just break off a leaf and put it on the side there. I'm going to do the taste test right now. We love that tea.